oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest.
Inimigos eliminados, missão.
Jordan pro white no fim. Tô odiado de bi. Tô com meu mano Grequinho. Mete fuzil tá aqui. Ela só pede pra mim. Do perdido, roxo e do green. Chega de bala de ice. Eu tô curtindo muito bright. Eu fiz esse som de freestyle. Eu tô no modo game hard. No jogo eu lancei um strike. Minha conta no estilo Ike. É várias bongadas até tarde. As minas sentando à vontade.
Cola então vem, cola beat, vamos além. E se quer mandar na meu Vicente, que agora eu vou pra que Biscayne. Big chain, 40 horas on the rain. Chama sua amiga, e do green ela quer mais. Senta no pai essa gás. Se acaba nós já pede mais.
Ela quer sentar pra mim. Jordan pro white no fim. Little pussy on my G. Tô odiado de bi. Tô com meu mano Grequinho. Mete fuzil tá aqui. Ela só pede pra mim. Do verde, do roxo e do green. Chega de bala de ice. Eu tô curtindo um do bright. Eu fiz esse som de freestyle. Eu tô no modo game hard. No jogo eu lancei um strike. Minha conta no estilo high. É várias bongadas até tarde. As minas sentando à vontade.
Fuck around and turn a vision to living. Mama trippin', seen her cry in the kitchen. So I had to pour one in my channel. Numb the pain and get the trippin' and sippin'. Okay, hold up. Handle 10 bands in a row. Bro, 10 bands of a soul. Rollin' 10 around the show. Came with me and my name. Can't fuck around with the code. Don't say my name, I don't know ya. Pick up your bitch with a shoe.
Ela quer sentar pra mim. Jordan no white no fim. Little pussy on my G. Tô odiado de bi. Tô com meu mano Grequinho. Mete fuzil tá aqui. Ela só pede pra mim. Do perdido, roxo e do green. Chega de bala de ice. Eu tô curtindo um do bright. Eu fiz esse som de freestyle. Eu tô no modo game hard. No jogo eu lancei um strike. Minha conta no estilo Ike. É várias bongadas até tarde. As minas sentando à vontade.
Resta um inimigo. Resta um agente inimigo vivo. Inimigos eliminados. Missão aliada bem sucedida. Resta um agente inimigo vivo. A bomba foi localizada. Inimigos eliminados. Se continuar nessa área, os inimigos te detectarão. Restam.
Minha parte favorita.
O desativador não está mais sob sua mão.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood. Flow is flowing good, like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said I could. Showing up the class studying, I try to make good. I am from the West, but I'm not talking Clint Eastwood, yeah. I was thinking about these times, 2 a.m. in my room, creating music with some rhymes. I was feeling divine, third place took a lot to reach the finish line. But now I'm here, love your Shakespeare. Try to talk to one-on-one, but motherfuckers always in their fear. That's a watching down, looking at the fucking atmosphere. Gucci, 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 they be prophetess. He's white and he's speaking fast as see an auctioneer. But I get it, I fit it, a phase. Eating some chips, they will always blaze. Fantasizing about buying some drinks, but you got no money to pay. Ask mom, she says this is her face. You certain days, eating donuts, they will always glaze. Shit. Shoes fresh like an apple off a tree. Red ones costing me like 15k rupees. Dark gloomy days, need some vitamin C. Took a long time to get back into this reality. Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, one place, and now I'm falling from grace. Please don't trip, watch your step. You better tie your shoelace. Look at the ground, 90-degree angle. Human race trying to get some real talk from you, but poker face. Like, what are you trying to do? Yeah, fit in and step in the shoes. Yeah, but how is that welcome for you? Yeah, apply back and no one to view. Yeah, now you're almost 22. Yeah, taking in no revenue. Yeah, that's a sneak preview. Yeah, of the life you been living. No cooking, no kitchen. On 60 for mission, flowing around, such an ambition. Not giving, pushing like a pitcher. Cold out in that midnight. Cold as a stitch. If I like it, some chicken, get bitches. I'm ditching. I made a decision. Do you see the vision? Back to those days where songs are actually written by the artists. Now they're all this shit.
Vitória, viado.